Today our topic is Simpson's one-third rule. Simpson's rule is one of the numerical methods which is used to evaluate the definite integral. Usually to find the definite integral we use the fundamental theorem of calculus where we have to apply the antiderivative technique of integration. But sometimes it is difficult to find the antiderivative of an integral like in the case of scientific experiments where the function has to be determined from the observed readings. Therefore, the numerical methods are used to approximate the integral in such condition. So, what is integration? Integration is a way of adding slices to find the whole. Integration can be used to find areas, volumes, central points, and many useful things. But it is easiest to start with finding the area under the curve of a function like this. So, integral area is, what is the area under y equals to fx? Let's say we have a function fx that we need to integrate over the interval a to b. So, it is integration a to b y dx where y equals to fx. So, what is lower limit? It is x0, that is a, corresponding value of y equals to y0. And what is upper limit? It is xn, that is p, corresponding value of y equals to yn. So, when the value of x equals to x0, then value of y equals to y0. Now, I want to divide this area into h equal parts. So, what is the value of x1? x1 is x0 plus h. Then the value of y equals to y1. In the same way, what is the value of x2? x2 equals to x0 plus 2h and corresponding value of y equals to y2. In the same way, we can get remaining pieces. Now, if there are n number of pieces, then we can write in this way xn equals to x0 plus nh, but the value of y equals to yn. So, what is the value of h? h equals to b minus a divided by n, that is upper limit minus lower limit divided by total number of pieces. Now, formula for Simpson's one-third rule. In the case of Simpson's one-third rule, n should be multiple of 2. Now, the formula. Integration a to b y dx h by 3 starting value of y, that is y0, plus ending value of y, that is yn, plus 4 into addition of all odd terms plus 2 into addition of all even terms. Take one example, then this will be clear for you. Problem is evaluate integration 0 to 6 dx divided by 1 plus x square by using Simpson's one-third rule. Now the solution. First you have to choose the value of n. What is the value of n? It is not mentioned in this problem. If it is mentioned, then it is okay. Otherwise you have to choose n. And what is the value of n? N should be multiple of 2. It may be 2, 4, 6, 8. But for mathematical accuracy, at least you have to choose value of n as 6. So what is the value of h? H is b minus a by n. What is b? B is 6. What is a? A is 0, that is lower limit. B is upper limit, that is 6. So 6 minus 0 by n means 6. So it is 1. So value of h is 1. Now the table. There are two columns, one for x value, another for y value. So xn equals to x0 plus n into h and yn equals to this term 1 by 1 plus xn square. Now start. First time, what is the value of x0? It is the lower limit, that is 0. Next time, what is the value of x1? x1 equals to x0, that is 0 plus n means 1 and h means 1. So next time x1 value is 1. Next time, what is the value of x2? It is x0, that is 0, plus what is the value of n? It is 2 into h, that is 1. So it is 2. In this way, I get all remaining terms because value of n is 6. So maximum value of x is 6 here. Now we have to calculate corresponding y value. When the value of x0 is 0, then corresponding y value is this. By putting the value 0 here, we get 1 by 1 plus 0. So, it is 1. In this way, by putting the value of x here, I get remaining terms. Remaining terms are now the formula for Simpson's one-third rule is this. So, h by 3, h is 1. So, 1 by 3 y0 plus y0 is 1, yn is 0.027 plus 4 into all odd terms, that is 4 into 0.5 plus 0.1 plus 0.0385 plus 2 into all even terms, that is 2 into 0.2 plus 0.0588, and after calculation we get the result this. Now your task is to try to practice this problem by your own. This is your homework. Try to do this problem by your own and check your answer with the answer given below. For getting more and more updates, please like, share and subscribe my channel. That's all for today. Thank you.